Good morning, everyone. Now we have completed first two chapter. Now moving ahead with third chapter, that is data handling. Right? Now before moving to the chapter, right, data handling, what is necessary? The necessary things is to know about data. What is data? જ્યાં સુધી આપણને ડેટા શું છે એની આઈડિયા નહીં હશે ત્યાં સુધી આપણે ચેપ્ટર નું પણ કઈ કહી શકતું નથી. So for that what we have to do? We have to first know something about data. So what is data? So data is a collection of a particular or a general information, right? It is a collection. For example, number of girls from our school, number of boys, right? Then the number of animals in the zoo, right? How many rainfall in our city, right? How many buses passes through our town. So these all are the information, right? So gathering, collection of that information is known as data, right? Now there are two types of data. First one, that is group data, and a second one, that is ungrouped data, right? આપણી પાસે data two types ના છે. The first one, it is group data, and the second one, it is an ungrouped data, right? Now what are group data? So data that are given in intervals, right? Intervals form માં જે ડેટા આપ્યા હશે એ ડેટાને આપણે કહેવાશે group data, right? Means grouping is given to you. For example, 0 to 5, that is one group. 5 to 10, another group. 10 to 15, that is third group, right? So group data means interval form is given to you, group is given to you, right? And ungrouped data, that is information regarding individual data, right? Simple, એક જ ના data, right? Marks obtained by Pragnesh in mathematics, that is individual, મારી પોતાની વાત કરી છે, right? That is individual data, right? But the range ની વાત કરું, number of students in 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, then there will be a form of group data. Why? Because we have to group the students according to their classes, right? But અહીંયા જો એક વાત કરું, individual data means what? The data. કઈ data? So simply the marks scored by Pragnesh in mathematics. Mathematics માં મારા કેટલા માર્ક્સ છે એ મારો પોતાનો ડેટા છે, મારા individual information છે. That's why it is known as ungrouped data, right? Now few situations regarding data are: the first, number of students in your class, it is also one form of collection, it is one form of data. Then we can say that marks of the students in mathematics, students ની વાત કરીએ છે means બધા જ આવી જવાના, that is also one form of data, right? We are collecting. Then number of children below the age of 5 years in the family around you, it is also one information, a collection, that is also data, right? Number of animals in zoo, right? એ બી તમારું એક collection થઈ ગયું, right? So these all are collection. તમે એનું બધું collection કરતા છે, સમજ પડે? એટલે એ શું ફોર્મ થઈ ગયું? એ તમારું એક ડેટા ફોર્મ થઈ ગયું કે તમે કઈ વસ્તુનું collection કર્યું, right? Collection of different types of stamp, એ બી તમારો ડેટા છે કે તમે અહીંયા stamp collect કરો છો different form માં. Collection of different sizes of balls, right? That is also one form of collection. So data is nothing but a collection of something. તમે કોઈ બી particular item નું એક collection કરો છો, that is data, right? Now something, one new word to you, that is central tendency. See your word central. Central શું કહે છે કે વચ્ચેનો પાર્ટ. Central શું કહે છે? વચ્ચેનો પાર્ટ, એક સેન્ટરનો પાર્ટ. અને tendency means their value, એની કોઈ value. So what is central tendency? It is a single value, right? કઈ value હશે? It is a single value. એ મને કઈ પોઝિશન આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ or એ ડેટાને આખો ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે છે. કેવી રીતે? તો બાય પિકિંગ અપ, by identifying the center position. By identifying right. So this is all about central tendency. Now central tendency out of three types. Central tendency આપણી પાસે કેટલા types ની છે? Three types of central tendencies are there that we are going to learn. So three common central tendency are the three common central tendency are. There are three common central tendency which we use day by day. That is first one, that is mean. That is another name, average. Right? The second one, median. And the third one, mode. Right? These are the three central tendency, right, that we are going to learn. That is mean, median and mode. Mean is also known as average. Arithmetic mean, that is an average. To find the middlemost position of the data, the middlemost value of the data. Right? So three common central tendency, or we can say that representative value, that is mean, median and mode. And besides that, we are going to learn something new. That will be the range. બીજું શું લર્ન કરવાના છે? Range that describe between which two values our data lies. કઈ બે વેલ્યુ ની વચ્ચે આપણા ડેટા લાઈઝ થશે તેને કહેવાશે what we call range. Right? So let's see further with an example of few things. First one, let's try to understand what is average, right? Or we can say what is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, or we can say average. Right? पहला daily information ले लिए. What is average or arithmetic mean? Right? So what is an average? So average or mean right, is the number that represents the central tendency central tendency of the data. The central tendency of the data, or we can say group, right? કોઈ group આપ્યો હશે તો group ની અથવા તો કોઈ data આપ્યો હશે તો data ની any central tendency, that is the number that represents the central tendency of the data is nothing but group. Again, just recall, central tendency means what? The midpoint, right? યાદ રાખવાનું central જ પરથી ખબર પડી જશે કે વચ્ચેની value, that is central tendency. And to find average, we have to use formula average is equal to average, or you can say mean. Average, or you can say mean, is equal to what we can say, that sum of all observation. Sum of all observation upon sum of all observation upon number of observation, right? Numbers of observation, right? This thing we have already done in previous class, right? Okay, average mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Now sum means we have to add. What we have to add? In data, some observation might be given to you. कोई observation તમને આપ્યા હશે, એ observation નું તમારે sum કરી લેવાનું. Upon number of observation means what? How many informations are there? 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever. જે હશે તે value નીચે આવશે, right? Yesterday we have seen one what we call sum, that find average of that particular decimal number, right? So 3 observations were given to you and we have divided that sum by 3. Can 3? કારણ કે ત્યાં 3 observation હતા એટલે. So mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observation, right? Second point you have to keep in mind that mean always lies between the greater and the smaller information, right? તમારી mean કોની વચ્ચે lie થશે? The mean always lies between the greater and the smaller information, or we can say observation. જે observation આપ્યું હશે તેની વચ્ચેનો પાર્ટ, right? એ તમારું mean એ larger અને smaller બેની વચ્ચે તમને જોવા પડશે, right? So let's see with an example, right? Find the mean of. Example, find the mean, or we can say average. Find the mean of first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural numbers. Now here the information is given to you about the first 5 natural number. અહીંયા કયું information આપ્યું છે? First 5 natural number. So you might be familiar about natural number. એના માટે તમારે natural numbers માટે familiar થવું પડે. So first 5 natural number. First 5 natural numbers. What are first 5 natural numbers? Right? So they are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the first 5 natural numbers. Right? So first five natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we have to find? We have to find mean. So mean is equal to sum of observation upon numbers of observation. Sum of observation upon numbers of observation. That is equal to, now sum of observation. Sum of observation means what? We have to add these information. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. बराबर. Sum means observation sum કરી લીધું. Whole upon, ચાલો how many informations are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So whole upon 5. That is sum of observation upon total number of observation. So that is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So that is 15 upon 5, right? Cancel whatever you can. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So that is equal to 3. So your mean is 3. તમારું mean શું આવ્યું? 3 answer આવ્યો, right? And here you can see that it is the centralmost number of the data. એ તમારા ડેટાનો centralmost number છે. Right? So in this way we can find the mean. That mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Right? So we have added all the sum. Then number of observation is 5. Then 15 upon 5, that is 3. So mean is equal to 3. Sure. Let's see one another example. Let's see another example. Satish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours daily. Right? કેટલું studies કરે છે? 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours daily. How many hours that does he studies on an average? Right? On an average એને કેટલું study કર્યું હશે તે આપણે શોધવાનું છે. Now here average is given to you, right? And what is the meaning of average? Average is nothing but the mean. So how we can find it? So mean is equal to total numbers of hours he studied upon total numbers of day. Total numbers of day. So that can be written as, ચાલો Now total number of hours he studied. So he studies 4 hours, that is 4 hours plus. Then he studies 5 hours second day plus. The third day he studies 3 hours upon. How many days are there? 1, 2 and 3. So whole upon 3. So that will be 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hours upon 3. 3 ones are, 3 fours are. That is 4 hours per day. So the average mean is equal to 4 hours per day. Per day એ કેટલું રીડિંગ કરે છે? 4 hours નું એ રીડિંગ કરે છે. Right? Are you getting this thing? How we can find the hours? Sure. Let's see another example. Example, a batsman scored the following runs in 6 innings. 36, 35, 30, 130 is 50, 46, 60 and 55. Right? Calculate the mean runs scored by him. Now here it is given to you. A batsman scored the following runs in the 6th inning. Right? How many innings did he play? He played 6 innings. Right? In first inning 36. In second inning 35, third inning 54, 46, 60 and sixth inning 55. So calculate the mean run score. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the mean run. So here mean is equal to right, sum of the runs in 6 innings, right? Sum of the runs in 6 innings upon total numbers of innings. Upon total numbers of innings. Chal. Sum of the runs score in 6 innings. The sum. So that is 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55 upon how many total numbers of innings are there? So you can 35, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 and 11, that is 22. Carry on 2. Right? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That is 282. right? 282 upon 6, right? Now let's divide 282 by 6. So 282 divide by 6, right? 6 4s are 24, 4 remains 2, 42, 0, 0. That is equal to 47 runs. So the average run score by the batsman is 47. Right? Sure. So score 47 runs, right? Average run score. Now let's see the another thing that we are going to learn, that is the range, right? Now the range. How to find the range, right? So it is the difference. So what is the range? It is the difference of highest. It is the difference of the highest and and the lowest observation of the data of the data, right? So what is range? So it is a difference. It is a difference of what? It is a difference of what? It is a difference of highest and the lowest information of the data. And for that, the first step, arrange the data in ascending or descending order, right? Now the first step, whenever we want to find the data range, for that what we have to do, we have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending form, right? And then we will find average in this way, that range. So range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation minus lowest observation. In this form, we can find the range of the given data. Right? So let's begin with an example so that you can get more clear idea about that. Example, the age in years of 10 teachers of a school are 32, 41, 28, 54, 35, 26, 23, 33, 38 and 40. So these are the ages of 10 teachers of our school, right? What we have to find? The first one. First one, what is the age of oldest teacher and that of youngest teacher? This is your first thing. Second, what is the range? What is the range of the ages of teacher? And third thing, what is the mean age? What is the mean age? Right? What is the mean age of this teacher? Right? Now here, dear students, you can see that the information is given to you that the age in the years of 10 teachers of the school are 32, 41, 28, 54, 35, 26, 23, 33, 38 and 40. What is the age of the oldest and youngest teacher? First thing you have to find the age of oldest and the age of youngest teacher. Second thing you have to find what is the range of the age of the teacher, right? Means you have to find the range. And third, you have to find mean, right? So two things we have to find. First, we have to find range, and second thing we have to find mean. So solution will be like this: okay, arranging the data, in ascending order. Right? My first step, whenever we were to find the range, the first step is to arrange the data in ascending order. Right? To arrange the data in ascending order, what we have to do? We have to start with the smallest number. Right? So the smallest number among all. So that is 23, comma, then comes 26, comma, then comes 28, comma, then comes 32, comma, after that 33, comma, 35, then 38, I have done. I have just arranged the lower observation, small. Sure. So let's find the first one. First one, age of oldest teacher and the age of youngest teacher. Now, age of youngest teacher, sorry, oldest teacher. Oldest means highest observation. Oldest એટલે કોણ? એકદમ જૂનું, તેના માટે highest observation. Highest observation is 54. So, the age of oldest teacher will be 54 year, and the age of youngest teacher will be 23 years. Right? So, first thing we have find already. Second thing, what we have to find? Secondly, we find range. So range of the data. Highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation minus lowest observation. That is equal to, what is the highest? 31. So range. Now let's find the third one, that is the mean. Sum of all ages of all teachers upon total numbers of teachers. That is equal to, now sum of all observation means what? We have to add this all observation. That is 33 plus 35 plus 38 plus 40 plus 41 plus 54 whole upon 10. Whole upon 10. Now if we add all the numbers, the total will be 350 upon 10. જો બધા નંબરનું એડિશન કરી લેમ, so it will be 350 upon 10. 0 0 cancel, so that will be 35 years. So what will be my mean? My mean will be 35 years. Got it? So in this way we can submit all the sums. Let's see one example quickly, the last example. Right? Organize the data. Organize the following marks. That is nothing but data. Following marks. In a class assignment or assessment in tabular form. Right? Marks are 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, and 6, 7. Now these are the marks. These are the marks that we have to arrange them in the tabular form, right? So here we can say marks, then here tally marks, and finally it will come frequency. Right? Finally it will come frequency. Now marks, so highest number is 9, so we will write up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since here you can see that lowest number is 1 and highest number is 9, so that's why I have written marks from 1 to 9, right? 1 to 9 સુધીના marks આપણે લખી દીધા. Right? Now let's try to bifurcate. So 4. So here is the 4. So 1 mark. Then 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 2, 2, 6, 6, 2, 2, 5, 5, 1, 1, 9, 9, 6, 6, 5, 5, 8, 8, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7. Right? So you are very familiar how to organize them, how to arrange them in a tabular form. બરાબર? જ્યારે બી તમને કહે કે tabular form માં તમારે arrange કરવાનું છે, at that time what we have to do? We have to write in the tabular form. બરાબર? So it is very easy to write in the tabular form, right? Now what to do? Now what to do? So for that, here the frequency. So 1 indicates 1, for 2 there are 2 markings, for 3 1, for 4 3, 5 5, 6 4, 2, 1 1. So this indicates that, what does it indicate? That out of the observation 5 students score 5 marks. बराबर? 4 students score 6 marks, 2 students score 7 marks, 1 student 8 marks, 1 student 9 marks. એ તો બધાને આઈડિયા છે. આ બધાનું ટોટલ કેટલું થઈ જશે? 20. So here what we can say, that how many students are there? There are 20 students in the observation. Right? Chalo. Now let's find one by one. What is given to you? The first one, which is the highest number. First one, which is the highest number. Therefore, the highest marks, or we can say number. So the highest marks is equal to 9. હાઈએસ્ટ માર્ક્સ તમારા કેટલા છે? 9 છે. બરાબર ને? હાઈએસ્ટ માર્ક્સ સ્કોર કરવાવાળા કોણ છે? 9. Right? Second, which number is the lowest? Right? So answer 2. The lowest marks. The lowest marks. Lowest marks કેટલા થઈ ગયા? So 1. Here you can say it is the lowest marks. Right? આપણે indicate કરી દઈએ. This is your highest, lowest, and this is your highest. બરાબર? ચાલો. Then after, what is the range of the data? Answer 3. Answer 3. What we have to find? We have to find range of the data. So range is equal to highest marks minus lowest marks So what is highest marks over here? Highest marks is 9 minus lowest marks is 1. So that will be 8 marks. So the range will be of 8 marks. And finally, what we have to find? Finally, we have to find mean. So mean is equal to sum of observation upon total number of observation. Right? Sum of observation upon total number of observation. Now, what is sum of observation? Right? Already you have done. So that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Oh, not sorry. We have to add that number. That is 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 observations are there. Total number of observations 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore, mean 1 related to this topic. Any difficulty you can ask.